Ever found yourself wondering if Walmart, the retail giant, partners with innovative financial services like Beforepay? It's a great question, especially in today's world where flexible payment options and access to earned wages are becoming increasingly important for employees. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, with more companies looking for ways to support their workforce's financial well-being. So, let's dive into whether Walmart utilizes Beforepay and what financial resources they do offer their associates. First off, it's important to understand what Beforepay is. Beforepay is a pay-on-demand service, primarily known in Australia, that allows users to access a portion of their earned wages before their official payday, typically for a fixed fee. It's designed to help bridge cash flow gaps and avoid traditional, high-interest short-term loans. Think of it as a cash advance on your salary. Now, when we talk about Walmart, we're talking about a massive corporation with a vast employee base. They have their own robust suite of benefits and financial services for their associates. So, does Walmart officially partner with Beforepay to offer this specific wage advance service? Based on available information, there is no direct partnership between Walmart and Beforepay for employee wage advances. Beforepay's primary operations and partnerships, such as with Western Union for international money transfers, are distinct from Walmart's internal employee benefit programs. While Beforepay is expanding its tech and risk assessment capabilities, there is no indication of a direct integration with Walmart's payroll systems. However, this doesn't mean Walmart leaves its employees without financial support. In fact, Walmart offers a range of financial wellness benefits designed to assist its associates. One prominent example is their partnership with the Even app. The Even app provides associates with financial planning tools, budgeting assistance, and, crucially, the ability to get paid early. This InstaPay feature through Even allows eligible Walmart associates to access a portion of their earned wages ahead of their scheduled payday, much like a pay-on-demand service. This means if you're a Walmart employee, you have access to a very similar service to what Beforepay offers, but it's facilitated through Even, not Beforepay directly. Beyond early wage access, Walmart's comprehensive benefits package also includes various other financial assistance programs. They offer a strong 401k plan with company matching contributions, an associate stock purchase program, and various insurance options like medical, dental, vision, life, and disability. They also have programs like Live Better You, which covers 100% of college tuition and books for eligible associates, significantly easing financial burdens related to education. For immediate needs, Walmart also provides access to various in-store financial services through their money centers, such as bill pay, check cashing, and money orders. They even offer installment loans to eligible employees, designed with manageable repayment terms. So, while you won't find Beforepay listed as a direct partner on Walmart's employee benefits page, Walmart has proactively addressed the need for flexible wage access and financial support through its own partnerships and internal programs, most notably with the Even app. This ensures that their associates have resources to manage their finances, especially when unexpected expenses arise, without having to seek external, potentially less favorable, options. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.